How to upload a Instagram video that is not real. So as you guys know, after the update, if you post any singular video on Instagram, it will automatically be turned into a reel. So for example, if I just go to my new post, so from here, if I want to post something, I can tap on this and it will ask access my gallery, and from here I can just choose a video, then tap on next. Then what this will do, it will automatically post it as right here. Post our sheets. So now about it, settings, and you can edit your remixes and your privacy controls over there. But if you post this video, it will be posted as reel. So in order for this, in order for you to not post this as a reel, what you want to do is go back and you can select multiple videos. So if you select a video right here and then a photo, so I'm just going to choose a photo first and then a video, and if I tap on next, then as you can see, the video is now posted as a post, so it will be shared as a post. If I tap on next, as you can see, the two of these will now be shared as a post. And that's how you can upload a video on Instagram that is not a reel. That is the only way right now, so you can just follow these steps to make it happen. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.